How can I say my pen, your car, their house in the Russian language? In this lesson, you will get the answer to this question. Possessive pronouns is our today's topic. Let's start with the possessive pronoun мой, my. Number 1. Мой карандаш, my pencil. Number 2. Моя ручка, my pen. Number 3. Моё яблоко, my apple. As you see in English, the possessive pronoun my is the same in all three phrases. In Russian, it has three different forms. Мой, моя, моё. It happens because the possessive pronouns agree with the gender of the noun. Карандаш, a pencil, has a masculine gender. Ручка, feminine gender. And яблоко, neuter gender. Thus, if a noun has a masculine gender, you need to choose the possessive pronoun мой. If feminine gender, then моя. If neuter gender, then моё. Pause the video and try to choose a proper form of the possessive pronoun мой yourself. Then we will check it together. Now check yourself. Number 1. Моя квартира, my flat. Because квартира is a feminine gender. Number 2. Мой ребенок, my child. Because ребенок is a masculine gender. Number 3. Моё кресло, my armchair. As kr'Esla has a neuter gender. The next pronoun is твой, your, singular informal form. Number 1. Твой дом, your house, your home. Number 2. Твоя машина, your car. Number 3. Твоё зеркало, your mirror. As you see, the pronoun твой goes before a masculine noun. The pronoun твоя is before a feminine noun. Твоё before a neuter noun. The next pronoun is наш, our. Number 1. Наш камин, our fireplace. Number 2. НАша кровать, our bed. Number 3. наше зеркало, our mirror. The pronoun vAshe, your. Number 1. vAshe, друг, your friend. Number 2. vAsha сумка, your bag. Number 3. vAше кресло, your armchair. The pronouns vAshe, vAsha, vAshe can be used if you address one person in a formal way or a group of people. The next possessive pronoun is свой. Number 1. Свой дом. Number 2. Своя квартира. Number 3. Своё кресло. This possessive pronoun, свой, causes foreign students some usage issues. Let's see how this problematic pronoun is used. First of all, this pronoun is used to modify an object that belongs to a doer of the action or the subject. For example, Папа взял свой ключ. The father took his own key. The object in this sentence is ключ, key. The possessive pronoun свой modifies this object. It means that this key belongs to the father. You can also say папа взял его ключ. The father took his key. But the meaning is different now. If you say папа взял его ключ, it means that the father took the key that doesn't belong to him. He took the key that belongs to a different person, maybe to his son or his friend. Она села в свое кресло. She sat in her own armchair. Kr'Esla is the object in this sentence. The possessive pronoun свое modifies it. It means that the armchair belongs to her. If you say она села в ее кресло, she sat in her armchair, the meaning changes. It means she sat in the armchair that belongs to another woman. Secondly, in sentences with the personal pronouns я, мы, вы, you can use either the possessive pronoun свой or the possessive pronouns of the first or second person. Мой, наш, ваш. For example, number 1. Я взяла свой or мой ключ. I took my key. Number 2. Вы взяли свой or ваш ключ. You took your key. Number 3. Мы взяли свой or наш ключ. We took our key. The possessive pronouns его, his or its, ее, her or its, их, their, don't vary. For example, number 1. Его дом, his house. Number 2. Его машина, his car. Number 3. Его зеркало, his mirror. Number 1. Ее стол, her table. Number 2. Ее квартира, her flat. Number 3. Ее кресло, her armchair. Number 1. Их ребенок, their child. Number 2. Их книга, their book. Number 3. Их яблоко, their apple. Now we know that the possessive pronouns agree with the gender of nouns except 3 pronouns. Его, his or its, ее, her or its, их, their. The possessive pronouns also agree with the number of nouns. For example, number 1. Мои квартиры. Number 2. Мои дома. Number 3. Твои яблоки. Number 4. Ваши книги. Number 5. Наши дети. Number 6. Их стулья. Number 7. Свои ключи. Pause the video and choose a proper form of the possessive pronouns. Check yourself. Number 1. A. Мой лимон. Number 2. B. Ваша крыса. Number 3. C. Наши лампы. Number 4. A. Ваше поле. Number 5. B. Их люди. Pause the video and translate these sentences from English into Russian. Check yourself. Number 1. У меня есть свой дом. I have my own house. Number 2. Ваша жена из Франции? Is your wife from France? Number 3. Наша тетя психолог. Our aunt is a psychologist. Number 4. Кем работает их брат? What does their brother do? Number 5. Откуда ваш друг? Where is your friend from? Number 6. Это моя машина. This is my car. Number 7. Это твой дом? Is this your house? Number 8. Они наши дети. They are our children. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and don't miss my new videos.